So I mentioned the level up here. In the level structure right here, this just shows you the access, the level of access that you have. And so for the training environment, what we did was we gave it to the administration, the VP of finance level structure. And so if you see this little triangle here on the left-hand side, all you got to do is click that, and you can see the different departments that you have. And so when we talk about the levels, these are the 4 levels that in this training environment you have. When you get your training, or when you get your security access, it will depend on like what place in the organization you are, and so you'll be able to see various different things. But just for this training, this is the area where we have, and the sheet that we want to navigate to is actually this 0250004. This is just for the training purposes. We're just going to leverage this. So all you have to do is just click that level, and that will bring up that department for you. So I showed you how. I'm going to click it again. I showed you how we got there from just going through and searching the string here. But another thing you can actually do, you can actually type in the department that you're looking for, and just hit enter. Put 1 too many zeros. You can hit enter, and so I just typed in the department I'm looking for, and then that department comes up. So it's really easy to be able to search through the different structure within the organization. So for some areas you may actually have multiple roll-ups, and so you may not know where to be looking for a specific department. Remember when we talked about versions as well? You can see up here in the top right-hand corner where it says FY22 budget. These are the different version opportunities that you have. And so when we're entering in our budget, we always have to make sure that we're typing into the FY22 budget, because we'll have different versions. You can see the options we're going to have is we're going to have our actuals version, where that's just going to be pulling in data from the PeopleSoft ledgers. We're going to have our forecast versions and our budget versions. And so you always have to make sure that when you're typing information in that you're in the right version, because if something's not looking right, that could also be be a play in there. But for the most part, if you're just operating in one version, it should be pretty simple and straightforward. So we always want to make sure. So we're working on the FY22 budget right now.